Good morning to you, Ma'am, our subject teacher in Learning Materials and Development, MC106, Mrs. Glyza May Dalagan, our subject teacher, Ma'am. Good morning. So before I will start my discussion, I just want to introduce myself. I am Manilin Ilsang Libosada, BS Edu, Batch 5 major in English. So, my topic today is all about the modal verb. So, what can you say? What do you think? What are you thinking about modal verbs? So, modal verb is an auxiliary verb, also a helping verb, and it also that modal verb do not change form. So, in modal verbs there are 10 types. So, what are those? The 10 types of our modal verb are verb can, ought to, well, would, should, shall, must, might, may, and could. So, the modal verb can is used for a willingness. So, for example, in this sentence, can you help me to fix this error? So the subject, so the sentence of this is uses for the willingness. So we will find where the modal verb in this sentence. So our modal verb in this sentence is can, right? Can. Can you help me to fix this error? So this is our modal verb can. The second one, and also can is a present tense. So number two, could. The past tense of can. So could. For example, we could try to fix it ourselves. We could try to fix it ourselves. So this sentence used for the uses of this sentence is a suggestions. Why? Because they try to fix themselves. So we will find out where the modal verb indicated. So our modal verb here is could. What is our modal verb here? Modal verb here is could. Okay, we will proceed to the next modal verb, may. As we all say that may is the present tense of might, right? Okay. For example, Mr. John may be our coordinator next year. So what can you think or what can you say about this sentence? This sentence is uses for the present and the future because next year it talks about the next year or the present may be. So may is the present tense of might. So we will find out where also the modal verb indicated here in this sentence. So Mr. John may be our coordinator next year. So our modal verb here is may. What is our modal verb here? Our modal verb here is may. Did you get it? Okay, we will proceed. I will proceed to the next example. So, might. The example of might is he might have seen the movie before he read the book. So might is a future of past tense. So the past and the past tense might. So we will find out where the modal verb here is indicated. So our modal verb in this sentence is might. Right? Might. So might is our modal verb in the four sentences. See, we will proceed. The modal verb must. Must. Example, you must do your homework before watching TV. You must do your homework before watching TV. So, what comes in your mind in this sentence? This sentence uses for and, right? Command. Must. So, we will find out where the modal verb is indicated here. So, you must do your homework before watching TV. Our modal verb here is must. What is our modal verb here? Our modal verb here is must. Okay, so we will proceed to the other modal verbs. Shall. Shall I help you with your luggage? So this is a question mark. So this is kind of offering sentence. So we will find out where our modal verb here is indicated. Our modal verb here indicated is the first shall. The present tense of should. So shall. Shall I help you with your luggage? So our modal verb here is shall. Okay, we will proceed. Should. Example, he should come on time to meet our supplier. What the sentence says? He should come on time to meet our supplier. So, this sentence is an obligation. Obligation, okay? So, we will find out also where the modal verbs indicated in this sentence. So, our modal verb here is should. What is our modal verb here? Our modal verb here is should. Okay? He should come on time to meet our supplier. So this sentence of obligation to those point out to meet the supplier. Okay? Okay, we will proceed. The next modal verb here is would. Would. For example, would you pass the paper, please? Would you pass the paper, please? So, this sentence is a request. Request form of a sentence. So, would. Would is our modal. What is our modal verb here? Modal verb here is would. Okay? Would you pass the paper, please? A request of a modal verb would. Okay. Will. Will. For example, you will keep talking in this class. What did the students do? You will keep talking in this class. So this sentence is a habitual behavior because it points out the student. So you will keep talking in this class. Where is the modal verb here? So our modal verb here is will. Well, what is our modal verb here? Our modal verb here is will. Okay, well, proceed to the next modal verb. O2. O2 is a phrase ought is a phrase and it is also called a modal verb. So he ought to come to the meetings on time. He ought to come to the meetings on time. So what is the where is the modal verb here? Our modal verb here is ought to. Ought to. So it uses the strong sense of a form. Okay? So this is all about the modal verb that I discussed. So modal verbs has 10 types. What are those? Can, could, may, might, must, shall, must, would, will, and ought. So that's all my topic for today. And I just want to say thank you to Mrs. Laisami Dalaga for giving me an opportunity to have a demo in our house. Good morning, Mom, and thank you. God bless.